Here's another worked example where we're going to calculate the gradient of a line. But this time we appear to have a negative gradient, so first of all I'm just going to draw in an appropriate line of best fit, and then draw in a triangle. And then in order to work out the gradient, it's equal to our change in y divided by our change in x value. So the change in y value, well, it ends at 3.5 and it begins at 6. So this is equal to 3.5 take away 6.0. And on the x-axis it ends at 1.6 and it starts at 0. So that's going to be equal to minus 2.5 divided by 1.6, which is equal to minus 1.5625. So I think that an appropriate value for this would be minus 1.6. And we've got to have a minus symbol here because we've got a negative gradient. Now when it comes to the units, we've got something which is volts divided by amps. So what could that be? Well, here we've got something which is V over I, and that's also equal to R. So don't forget that R is equal to V over I, and therefore if you've got a volt per amp, that's the same as an ohm. So the units for this would be ohms. And this answer here, minus 1.6 ohms, would actually relate to the internal resistance of a cell or a battery. So as a practical that you do in A-level physics, we want to look at the internal resistance, and we do that by taking real data and then using the value for the gradient in order to find out what that internal resistance is, which in this case would be 1.6 ohms. By the way, this is just one of many videos I've made covering all of the maths that you need to understand for A-level physics. It's part of a mini course which includes many more topic videos, multiple worked examples, and also a guide that you can download. You can find all of this over at alevelphysicsonline.com.